Okay, y'all, so Matt here with the Southern Fun YouTube channel. And I've had this truck, this 92 4.3 manual, for, I don't know, maybe a month now. And it's just a little too quiet. So, I don't know, for like the past 10-ish minutes, I've been working on changing that. Using this to cut through the pipe, and so far it's been working out pretty well. Not the best. Okay, y'all, so I ended up getting the pipe cut. It took forever with that, and now I'm running into another problem. I can't seem to get the muffler out from between the axle, and this pipe is like shaped weird, so it's dang near impossible to get it out from the front pulling it out. So I'm in kind of a predicament, but yes, I do have it cut off. Where is that? Right there. It's actually right beside the bed, or right before the bed. So you know dang well there's gonna be a lot of droning. But you know, I'm in high school, don't care.